Walgreens deals this week. Thank you so much for your question. I am going to show you how you can get all these deals in one transaction um, by checking to make sure that you're not using two things that participate in the same deal within that transaction. So again, thank you for the question, and I'm going to use this as a video to give tips as well as help you save money. And you're going to get 8 items at the end for about $1.25 each. So you're going to get it for a really good price. Let's get into this video. So in order to answer this question, which the question is, Walgreens confuses the heck out of me. I need to know if I can buy Pantene shampoo. Basically, this shampoo that I was showing, the video is referring to the Herbal Essence and Olay body wash in one transaction. And I'm going to show you how you can check, because answering the question alone will just show you how you can do this transaction. It wouldn't really show you how you can put transactions together in the future in order for you to get the best deals that you can. That's why I'm also putting it into a video instead of just answering. So let's get into it. The first thing we need to know is, what are we getting? And we are getting Pantene, Herbal Essence, and we're going to get Olay. So you're going to go into your the website. So not the app, you're going into the website, because the website lets you see more things than the regular app. Okay. So we're going to go in here and you're going to go to weekly ad and you're going to type in what you're looking for. In this case, we're looking for Pantene. And so this is the choice that you have. These are the Pantenes. You can pick whatever you want. It says earn $3 when you buy 3 products. So let's go into the deal, right? Now, when you come in, it tells you what the range of prices are between $5 and $13. You need to buy 3, earn $3 when you buy 3. But right here, right under, it says see qualifying offers. So if you want to know if whatever else you're going to buy other than the Pantene is participating in the same promotion, therefore you would only get 1 registered reward instead of getting 1 for each one. If you put more than one item, like of the deal, into the transaction, you put more than one, you're not going to get multiple of the same registered rewards for that deal. So let's see. I know it doesn't have anything else, but I just want to show you. So it brings me back to just this one offer. So the only deal that's participating for this promotion is this one. It's not like you have other products participating in it. So you're going to put 3 into your card. Then you're going to go, let's go check, for example, Olay. You type in Olay, it gives you all of these options. The ones that we're going to look for, I'm assuming this is the one that you want. The ones that we're going to look for are these here, where it says earn $5 in store rewards when you buy 3 items. The other ones are not really giving you any registered rewards, and your question had to do with registered rewards. So that's why I'm assuming that the one that you want is this one. So we're going to go in here. I'm not logged in. That's why you don't see my coupons clipped, just so you know. So it says the lowest price is $7. That's the ones we're going to look into. Earn $5 in-store rewards when you buy 3. We're going to click on participating, which we already saw that there were a lot of deals going on for Olay, but in this particular offer, the only ones participating are these 3 options. So if you're not buying the Old Spice or you're not buying Olay, then you're good to go, since your other item that you wanted to buy was the Herbal Essence. So the Herbal Essence, now here, so you can see the difference. I know it's going to be like, oh, you're going to check all 3. We understand, we get it. But this is why I am going to check all 3. Herbal Essence. In this case, as you see in the pictures and you read over here, 2 things are participating in this offer. So if you were buying Head and Shoulders and you were buying Herbal Essence in the transaction you asked me, then no, you couldn't put them together, because you would only get 1 registered reward of $3 in this case. But because you're picking the Herbal Essence, one out of the 2 choices that are participating in this promotion, and you're going to combine it with the Pantene and the Olay, then yes, you could put those 3 things in one transaction for a really good deal. And I'm going to give you the breakdown of how much money you would pay, how much you're going to spend out of pocket, how much you're going to get at the end after rewards. All of that I'm going to show you as well. So one more time, we're going to go over here and see if anything else is participating in this promotion. And no, it's only these 2 items, either Head and Shoulders or Herbal Essence hair care. So you are good to go with the 3 things that you wanted to get. Now I'm going to show you the breakdown of the math, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like and follow for more videos like these, and share so that more people could enjoy the savings just like you and I. Let's get into that breakdown. I got the big calculator out just so that you can see very clearly. Okay, so we have two, I mean, you got to get three Pantene products at $5 each, 5 times 3. That's going to be 15. We're adding the two Herbal Essence at $9 each for a total of 18. And then we're going to add three of the Olay products at $7 each for a total of $21. Your total for all eight products is $54. Now we're going to start taking off digital coupons. You're going to take off for the Pantene $5 of a digital coupon, minus the Herbal Essence has a $6 digital coupon, and the Olays have a $5 digital coupon. So out of pocket, you're left to pay $38, right? We put this into a bigger transaction because I'm hoping that you have that digital perk that says spend 45 or spend 50 and get back 10, for example. That's something I have. I hope you have that one. If not, you don't have to put all of these items into one transaction since it's a pretty high like it's pretty high at the beginning, 54. So this is why I put them all in one transaction, not to just answer your question, but just in case you had a booster. So we're gonna couple that booster with the one that I showed you guys that you can get in the video before this one, where you get a picture of 4x6 or the picture of 8x10 today, and for free the 8x10, and you can get a paper booster printed out of spend 15 get 5. So with those two digital and paper boosters, that's going to be an additional $15 that you are going to save. But again, let's calculate. This is out of pocket that you would have to pay. You can use registered rewards if you want to lower the cost out of pocket, but you cannot use points to pay for it because you will be getting a bunch of points back. So $38 is out of pocket in the store. What you're going to get back is going to be, you're going to get minus the $10 for that digital perk, minus the $5 for the paper perk, minus the $3 for purchasing the Pantenes. You're going to get $5 for the Olay, and you're going to get $3 for the Herbal Essence. Okay, so it's $12 for everything so far. I miscalculated. I thought it was $10, but I think it's $12. Now we're going to go ahead and divide that by the eight products. So instead of $1.25 that I mentioned, you're going to pay $1.50 for each of those items. And this is always before taxes. $1.50 for each of those items is not a bad deal at all. Now, again, if you had registered rewards to help you lower the cost, then this would be obviously less. But yeah, at the end, you're going to pay $12 for all eight items. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and follow and share, again, so that more people can see these tips. They can learn how to do the transactions, and they can also learn how to save just like you and I. Until the next one, and don't forget to smile.